Client IP configuration. What do we need to do from the client standpoint to get a user on the network, the local area network and beyond? Well, first thing, as a network administrator, you need to determine which hosts need statically reserved IP addresses and which ones can do DHCP dynamic addressing. Easy way to split, well, I'm not going to say easy because I don't want to trivialize it, but in general, your users and the user base population should all be DHCP clients who automatically get their IP from DHCP server. Servers specifically should definitely have static IPs because you don't want those IP addresses subject to change. The nature of dynamic addressing is that a client can go offline, the user can shut down the computer, turn it back on, and they might get their old IP address back from DHCP, or they might receive a new lease if their old address has already been given to someone else. Now, I shouldn't say given. DHCP operates on a lease basis, not a gift basis. Network printers would be another candidate for static addresses. Wireless access points. Any server-side services should be static in general. A subnet mask is going to be shared by all hosts in that TCP/IP network, and a default gateway refers to a router address that's on your own network segment and serves as a way to get out of your network segment if you have to go to maybe another part of your business's network or potentially out your internet router to the world beyond. I mentioned domain name system briefly a couple minutes ago. DNS is another way that makes TCP/IP communication easier because you can just use computer-friendly names, host names, instead of having to know an IPv4 or, heaven forbid, an IPv6 address.